When we perform a rodent home inspection, our goal is to find every possible entry point, big or small, where rats or mice can squeeze in. We start outside the home. I'm looking for gnaw marks, holes near pipes, foundation cracks, and open vents. Even a space the size of a quarter is enough for a rat to enter. Next, we move into the attic. Here we check for droppings, nesting materials, or chewed insulation, all signs of rodent activity. I also inspect air ducts and vent openings. In the crawl space or basement, we look for trails, gnawed wires, and openings near plumbing lines. These areas often go unnoticed, but are common rodent highways. Inside, we always check warm spots, like water heater closets and furnace areas, perfect hiding and nesting zones for rodents. Once we identify every point of entry and activity zone, we'll build a full exclusion and treatment plan to seal and sanitize your property, without using poisons or harsh chemicals. Rodents Stop. Pet safe, proven, guaranteed. Book your free inspection today.